Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day today. I want to go over a little something with you. I have this Toyota Sienna van here. It's an older one. It's kind of rickety. It's basically on its last leg. It was at another shop for a power steering leak, and the other shop wound up replacing the power steering pressure hose and the return hose to the pump. It's actually like a feed hose. It comes from the reservoir that's up top and it runs down, and it's a pretty large diameter, like I'd say a half inch or a 5/8. But let me show you something. They used the wrong hose. I just want to show you something. That is regular heater hose. And it's all mush already. I don't know how long ago it was they replaced it, but it's all mush. It's all swelled up. So I'm going to have to put the right hose there, you know, with the power steering pump, because I'm doing the pump itself. Now if you look too, you can see over time the rubber just destroyed the inner sway bar bushings, and it destroyed the bellow or boot, whatever you want to call it. It's actually called the bellow, but ruined it for the inner tie rod. Now unfortunately the customer doesn't have enough funds to do those repairs, but they want to fix power steering leak because it's literally pouring out. You have it running and it is a stream coming out of the pump. How the other shop couldn't figure that out, it's beyond me, but they couldn't. So now it's here. So what it boils down to is make sure you use the right hose, because the wrong hose could lead to problems. It could lead to a blowout or whatever. Vacuum hose is not designed for oils. Heater hoses not designed for oils. Radiator hoses not designed for oils. Oils will swell them up, break them down, they'll deteriorate. Fuel hose not meant for oils. So the hose that they used, like I said, is just a regular heater hose, and it's just not meant for it, and it's breaking down already, and it will be destroyed shortly. So I'm going to have the pump off. I'm going to have to replace it with the right kind of hose. Anyway, that's it. Hope everybody has a great rest of your day. Keep wrenching.